In this video, I'll show you how to make Brave your default browser on Windows, step by step. If links are still opening in another browser like Edge or Chrome, don't worry, we'll fix that in under a couple of minutes. There are actually multiple ways to get to the same setting, so I'll quickly show you all of them. And then we'll finish by setting Brave as your default browser. Alright, so first, let's look at the different ways to reach the Default Apps menu. If Brave is not your default browser, you'll usually see a message right below the address bar. It says something like Set Brave as your default browser. Just click that button, and it will take you straight to the correct Windows settings page. If that doesn't show up, then click the menu icon in the top right corner, then go to Settings. Inside Settings, find the Default Browser section and click Make Default. Again, this will take you to the exact same place in Windows settings. You can also open it manually. Right-click the Start menu button. Click on Settings, then go to Apps, and after that, click on Default Apps. Now that you're in the Default Apps menu, here's what you need to do. Scroll down a bit until you find the section called Web Browser. You'll usually see another browser already set as the default like Edge or Chrome. Click on that current browser. A list will pop up with all available browsers on your system. From that list, select Brave. Once you click it, Brave will immediately be set as your default browser. And that's it. Now every link you open will automatically use Brave. If this video helped you, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more simple and useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.